Welcome to our quick showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. In this video, we'll dive into their features, compare their performance, and help you determine which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is positioned at a premium price point of $189, while the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is much more budget-friendly at just $89. This significant price difference reflects the different features and capabilities of each machine. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for cocktails and snacking, while the Igloo model creates traditional cylinder-shaped ice cubes. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience, especially if you prefer the texture of nugget ice. In terms of daily production, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker has a higher output, capable of producing 34 pounds of ice per day compared to the Igloo's 26 pounds. This makes the EUHOMY a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker offer unique advantages. If you prioritize ice quality and higher production, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable and compact option, the Igloo is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.